polynomials. Is it? So we'll directly polynomials you already done. So let's begin with exercise only. It is very easy. Okay. Exercise 2.1. First, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State the reason for your answer. Let briefly introduction of this is that. Is it? When it will not be polynomial. Okay. Or first, when it will be polynomial. When any power of say x is whole number 3, 1, say 2, or we can say x is to 5, x is to 35, or x raised to 40, all this power which is whole number or exponential which is whole number, okay, then the function is, then we can say that polynomial is, then we can say the expression given is a polynomial. Is it? If it is say x is to minus half, x is to minus half, x is to 3 by 2, or x is to 5 by 3. This is all in fraction, is it? When it is in fraction, we say that the power of x is not a whole number. It is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial, is it? So first important thing is to see that power, when it is power is in whole number, we can say that expression is a, given expression is a polynomial. When it is in fraction or negative, then we say that it is not a polynomials. It can also be root t, okay, root t, or 3 root cube root of t, is it, or 3, or we can say t raised to 3 by 4. This is first point, is it? So when it is a polynomial, when the power of x is a whole number, then it is a polynomial. If it is in a fraction or minus or in root, then it is not a polynomial, is it? Now when it is called a one variable, when it is the function, the polynomial given expression as only one say variable, say x, say x square, x, or constant, is it? Okay, one variable, x square, x, so it is one variable. It is variable is here only x, so it is called one variable. Suppose it's y square plus y plus constant, then it is called a one variable, one variable in y. Suppose z is there, z square, okay, z, then it is called one variable in z. Even if it is cube is there, for example it is cube of x, x square, x, then it is also called a one variable in x. Suppose it's x is to 5, x is to 4, x is to 3, anything, is it? It is called a one variable. What I mean to say that there is only variable x here, is it? And so if it is t5 or t3 or t2, it is one variable in t. It is called a one variable because only variable, which is a variable here, t, is it? So it is called a one variable. Suppose if it is like this, x square plus y square, is it, plus 1. Here it becomes two variable. Why it is become two variable? Because x is also there and y is also variable, so it becomes two variable. It is polynomial, but it is polynomial in two variable, is it? Suppose it's like this, x square plus y square plus t square, is it? So it becomes 3, okay, 3 variable, polynomials of 3 variable, is it? It is a polynomial, but it is of 3 variable, is it? So let's check here. What is the first question? State which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not. State the reason for it. See here, first we have to check whether it is a polynomial or not. Yes, it is a polynomial because the, what is the power? 2. What is the power here? 1. So it is whole number, so it is a polynomial, is it? It is one variable or two variable, it is one variable polynomial, is it? Because only x is there. Here, yes, it is also y square. What is it here? 2. Power is 2, which is whole number, so it is a polynomial in one variable. Here t is what? root of t. Root of t means t raised to half. Okay, which is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Is it here? Y plus 2 upon y. If you take y up, it will become y raised to minus 1. Is it y raised to minus 1? What did it say? Power become minus 1. When it is a power become minus 1, it is not a whole number, so it's not a polynomial. Is it? Here, x raised to 10, y raised to cube plus t raised to 50. It is a polynomial, but not one variable. How many variables are there? X, y, and t. So it becomes a polynomial in 3 variables of 3 variables. Is it? Okay. Now next, let us check for second question. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient of x square means what constant number is with x square. What is here x square? What is a constant number? Nothing. So it is 1. So coefficient of x square here is plus 1. Here the coefficient of x square is what? Minus 1. Is it? With x square, what is that? Minus. And 1 is also there. So minus 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Pi by 2 here. What is with x square? Pi by 2. So the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. What is the coefficient of x square? Nothing. There is no x square here. So coefficient of x square is 0. Is it? Give an example each of the binomial of degree 35. Binomial means there will be 2 terms. Is it? So we can write it is as x 35 plus 1. We can write it 7 x raised to 35 plus 1. We can also write as say x raised to 35 minus 5. These are all are binomial with what? Degree 35. Is it? You can also write as x square x 35. Is it? That also become binomial because there are 2 terms and maximum degree is 35. So it is also a function of binomial with the degree 35. Is it? Okay. And now monomial of degree 100. Monomial means only 1 term. So it is x raised to 100. Okay. We can say y raised to 100. We can say t raised to 100. Is it? These are all example of monomial with a degree 100. See? Let's move on to another question. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. What does a degree means? Degree means maximum power. So, what is the maximum power here? Here is 3, here is 2, here is 1. So, maximum power is 3. So, degree 3. So, what is the degree of this polynomial? 3. What is the maximum power of this? 2. Is it? Maximum power of is this 2. What is the maximum power of this here? T1. Is it? What is the maximum power? No, it is a constant number. So maximum power is 0. Is it? Now clarify the linear, quadratic or cubic. Whenever linear is there, it will be of the form ax plus b. What I mean to say, only x will be there. When it is a quadratic, it will be ax square plus bx plus c. When it is a cubic, it will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the form. In short, what I say, when it is a linear polynomial, when only x will be there. When it is a quadratic polynomial, when expression has x square. When it is cubic polynomial, when the expression has x cube. So let's find out here. What is here? Maximum x square. X square means quadratic. Is it? It becomes quadratic polynomials. What is become? This is maximum is cube. So it is cubic polynomial. What is this? A maximum power x square. So it is become again quadratic polynomials. 1 plus x. X is only the greatest power. Is it? So what it become? Linear. it become linear. 3t, it become linear. R square, it become quadratic. 7 cube, so cube, it is become cubic. Is it? Again I repeat, x square. So what is x square here? Maximum power, x square. So what is that? It is quadratic. Here maximum power, cubic. So it become cubic. What is the maximum power here? 2. Is it? Y raised to 2. So it become quadratic. It is, here is maximum power is 1. So it become linear. It become also linear because maximum power is 1. What is here? Maximum power, r square, means quadratic. What is here? It become cubic because x is to cube. Okay, thank you very much.